Hi, this is Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for taking a look at this 2019 Nautique Super Air G21. Easily the largest 21-foot boat in the towboat category. This thing's got tons of room, has an exceptional wake, great performance, just an awesome boat all the way around. This one's done in tungsten gray with a black accent. It's got the tungsten and gray two-tone tower, Bimini top with surf pockets are included. 8.8 GL audio tower speakers, has the Nautique strapless board racks, so loading boards is quite easy. They swing in and out, making it easy to load your gear. This one's unique. It has the Nautique steering assist, which is this thruster here on the back. It's going to make it ultra easy handling around the dock, backing the boat up. Anybody can drive them nowadays. Reboarding ladder, make it easy to transition from the water into the boat. Speaking of which, you have that nice wide walkway there. It's going to make it easy to go from the swim platform straight in the boat. Not too many steps, easy to get in and out. Here on the back of the boat, you'll notice a nice placement for a transom cooler. So if you are just chilling out in the cove, hanging out, and you got easy access to drinks, we've done the optional transom remote steer or control here so that you can adjust your music from the back of the boat. I'm going to hop in, we'll take a look inside. All right, we're back on the transom of the boat here. Nice big swim platform. Tungsten sea deck throughout. Beautiful job in the interior of this boat. I'm going to take advantage of that nice wide walkway. Easy step to get inside. Link pan array with touchscreen. You have your rotary control here as well. Easy access to all the controls. It's all seamless design. It's one integrated system. Nautique has their own in-house designers that design all the software, so it's all seamless. Works excellent. Great visibility out of this boat when underway. Nice low dash, easy access to your cell phone storage there. Really deep bow, plenty of grab handles and cup holders you'll see. Stereo obviously, get some tunes up front for the guys up front. Looking back, you can really see how much interior space for a 21-foot boat this boat has. Popular feature is the rear-facing seat that converts simply by releasing it, lifting up on it. One of the benefits of the G series is all of the ballast is internal. It's below the floor. So not only do you have this expansive storage under the passenger seat there, if you look back here, look at that. Tons of storage. Large enough for hard goods, surfers, wakeboards, even skis. There's that walkway from the inside looking back. Rear facing backrest there. All the action on this boat's going to be out the back usually, so you want to be able to convert the seating easily to rear facing seating. Look at that setup. What an awesome design. Most features, most storage, best wake in a 21-foot boat you'll find. Easily closes everything up. Just like that. If you have any interest in this Nautique G21 or any of the other Nautiques that we offer, I'm happy to help. My name is Mike Dyson. I'm at 210-347-5768. Look forward to getting you on the water. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.